So this is one of a very old and a broken hands paper mill. Right now he tried to separately all everything each other. Take it off. I think I had used this and I saw this thing around like 1998 or 1999, but did not like the one that I used it. Actually, like in a whole box, they did not made from enough substance. They actually made it by wood. It's easy to get broke. I forgot the cost during that time. Right now, this guy, they will bring this to remind me some history when I was young. Okay, now they try to break it out and they will renew it everything, right? Oh, he used the burner getting more hot and stronger. Okay. Alright. Wow, they're using the glue. Oh, like the shampoo. They used to clean like on the old colors. Alright. Now they renew it. Yeah. Wow. They had like in a mortar they're gonna use to clean up. Wow. You clean it again, it's more smooth right now. It looks like it's a brand new. Well, yeah. It's a 988. So the brand of this paper mill. I am sure that I used this thing around 1998 or 1999. It's not that used by the enough substance. The whole box of the paper mill is just like a soft wood. Yeah, exactly that. I remember that. Yeah. Yeah. I think I had repeated this before still, but it's more than 20 years I already forgot it. Yeah. So the top one, they just open it and they put like a black pepper, the whole black pepper inside that, and then they just scrolling. The pepper will become to be a pepper powder. Yeah. That is a really huge job. Yeah. Oh yeah. That is awesome. Yeah. It's a difference between new and old. 100% that I remember this thing. I had used that like 20 years ago, around like 1998 or 1999. But the whole box of the paper mill was not made by enough substance. What did I used it? It was a one that I made by the wood material. Thank you for watching this video. I will come with a new video soon.